Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Tech. Today we are just going to discuss about the some maths function like addition, subtraction, action on matrices. So addition of a matrix, we will just start with addition of a matrix. It starts with like consider a matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and a matrix B is equal to minus 2 3 4 1 2 3. So the addition will just only be possible if order of matrix A is equal to order of B. It will be only possible if the order is equal, like 2 cross 2, 2 cross 3, 3 cross 2, like the both A and B matrices have the same order, so the addition and the subtraction of a matrix is possible. So what we are just going to do in the addition of a matrix A plus B equal to, we just put 1 1. It is the placement of the number, like 1 with this one, 2 with this, 3 with this, means the same element goes with the same element. 1 minus 2, 2 minus plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 3. Hence the matrix A plus B will be equal to minus 1, 5, 7, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. It will be the order of the A plus B matrix. This will be the answer. Now for the subtraction of the matrix, the process is same. Let assume the same matrix is A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B matrix will be minus 2 3 4 1 2 3, and we are just have to do A minus B. What we are just going to do is 1 minus into minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 1, 5 minus 2 and 6 minus 3. A minus B will be equal to minus minus, this minus cuts with this minus and it comes with plus. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1 remains with the minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 2 is also 3 and 6 minus 3 is also 3. Hence the A minus B matrix will be 3 minus 1 minus 1 3 3 and 3. That will be the answer of the matrix. If you just have any doubt and any question, just comment down and I will give you the feedback of it, and we'll just move on to our next topic. Next we will discuss about the multiplication and inverse. Is actually the division of a matrix. So it will be discussed in the next topic or in the next video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like if you enjoyed that video and learn something new.